I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in week 19 of the hashtag 2023 CW Collage. It's the Crossword Collage hosted by Barbie of Nellie and Ruth Designs. And this week I'm planning on doing a little bit different. I just got a few things I gathered. And mine is the games people play. This challenge we're to only requirement is a crossword puzzle and something written, our title written in the little squares. So I've got these different items that are games and such. So I thought I would use that. So let's get started. I hope everybody's doing okay. Just trying to figure out where I'm going to put everything. Be sure and check out Barbie's channel at Nellie and Ruth Designs. She is so talented, and it is so much fun to see what she comes up with. I love her surreal collages. Here, my kitty cat. Alright. So I'm just going to lay these around the best I can. Not sure how I want to do this, but I just fussy cut a few items from games, and I kind of like that. So I'm just going to tack them down, and then so I could lay the whole thing down. Well, y'all still didn't get to watch Haven. I mentioned in my Marguerite Miller collage that I hoped to watch it, but football won out. I should have known. And Mississippi State actually won. We weren't really expecting that, sad to say, but I'm glad we did. I haven't heard whether the Dolphins won yesterday. I'm kind of scared to look. It was a night game, and my husband and oldest son, watched it, and I laid down, read. Did finish my Barbara Michaels book. And it was pretty good. I really enjoyed it. But I want to know what's happening on Haven. My cats are running across my bed. They decided it's time to play. Okay. Now I'm just going to tack everything down. Yep. But the book was pretty good. I haven't started a new one yet. I just finished it last night, and so this is early morning, and so I just haven't decided what I'm going to read next. I may get the next in that series of the Lisa Gardner books. I really enjoyed that. But on Kindle they're $7.99 a piece, so I put off getting it. Sometimes they'll run books on sale, but they haven't run it. There we go. I think this one's gonna go fast. And I've got my going to do that. Oh, this went real fast. I didn't ink it since it's just magazine. A lot of it's from our Sunday school book. They have That's why it's got that newspaper look to it. I think I'm just going to add a few butterfly embellishments, and I think that's going to be it. I never could work a Rubik's Cube. Now my cousin, he could work it, and he always amazed me because like we played lots of cards growing up, different card games, and if he didn't know how to play, he just watched a few hands of you playing and he'd pick it right up. I'm just going to add a few of those. And I think that's going to be it. They're playing. Alright, well I hope you enjoyed this video as quick as it was. Be sure and check out Barbie's channel, Nellie Ruth Designs, and be sure and check out the hashtag 2023 CW Collage to see what everyone else has made. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it wasn't long at all, but I got it done. So sometimes it just doesn't take long, does it? So y'all have a great and wonderful day, and until next time, bye y'all.